I bet you didn't know the sky could paint itself in such vibrant colors. Get ready for tonight's celestial spectacle. After recent solar eruptions, the northern lights are set to light up the sky tonight. The aurora's intensity is predicted to be high, promising a breathtaking display. Prime viewing areas include Canada, Alaska, and even stretching into the northern US states like Washington, Idaho, Montana, and more. If you're in Nebraska, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Maine, or parts of New York, you might just be in luck. To catch this natural marvel, find a spot away from city lights, preferably on a hilltop, between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. local time. This surge in aurora activity is due to the sun nearing its peak activity period, meaning more frequent northern lights in the coming months. So, grab your blankets, find a dark spot, and keep your eyes on the sky tonight. You won't want to miss this celestial show. This is for Friday the 13th of September. For more up-to-date information about current travel events and things to look out for, please like and subscribe to this channel. As always, thanks for watching.